Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about sequence and series. That topic is over. Next topic. Today I am going to deal with new topic, that is topic number 6. That is linear inequalities. Linear inequalities in equation. So in this topic, total marks is 7 marks. Allotment of marks 2 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question. Total is 7 marks. In this topic, maximum number of marks is 7 marks. Okay. Now here define linear inequalities in equation. Equation where in equation where. Okay. So define linear inequalities. Now look here. Now here, suppose that on your birthday, you want to give 15 of your friends a chocolate each. On your birthday, you want to give 15 of your friends a chocolate each. Okay. Assume that you have rupees 100. Assume that you have rupees 100. Okay. Now here, for this purpose, assume that we have rupees 100 for this purpose. If the cost of chocolate be X, let the cost of chocolate be rupees X. Then the total cost of 15 chocolate, the cost of 15 chocolate is 15X. Correct? Okay. But you have rupees 100 only. You can only 100 rupees. Okay. Now you have rupees 100 only. Therefore, total cost should be less than or equal to 100. That is, we can write mathematically write 15x is less than or equal to 100. So this expression is known as inequation, inequality. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? 15 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 15 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 15x. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್? 15 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 15x less than or equal to 100. Exactly 100 rupees ಆಗುವುದು ಅಥವಾ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುವುದು. Not exactly equal. It may be equal or less than, but not more than, because you have only 100 rupees. So mathematically write 15x less than or equal to 100. That expression is known as inequality in equation. Inequation or inequality. Okay. Now here define inequality. Inequality under remember two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol. Two real numbers or algebraic expressions. Two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. Two real numbers or two algebraic expressions can be related by the symbol. The expressions like less than, more than, less than or equal to, more than or equal to. These notations, these symbols are called inequation or inequality, not equation. No, equal to 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it is equation, ಸಮೀಕರಣ. Less than, more than, equal to that is not an equation. It is inequation. It is inequality. So definition of inequality: two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than or greater than or less than or equal, more than or equal. These notations are called what? Inequality. two equations Allah inequality. Okay, now here for example, now we take simple example. Here 2 is less than 2, right? 5 is more than 2. Okay, then 2 is less than or equal to 2, or 10 is more than or equal to 10. Okay, so these are the examples of inequality in equation. 2 less than 3, 5 more than 2, 2 less than or equal to 2, 10 more than or equal to 10. Okay, another example, x is less than 3, 2x plus 3 more than 7, 4y less than or equal to 7, and so on. These are also inequalities. Another example, x plus y less than 5, 2x plus 3y more than or equal to 3, 7x plus 4y less than or equal to 20, and so on. These are all examples of inequality. Iವು notations ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ notations ಏನಂತಾರ inequation, inequality. That is not an equation. These are the examples. Another example, ax squared plus bx plus c less than 0, or 2x squared plus 3x plus 7 more than or equal to 0, and so on. These are the examples of inequality. Now here first example, 2 less than 3, 5 more than 2, 2 less than or equal to 2, 10 more than or equal to 10. These are called numerical inequalities. Numerical number irodrinda, that is known as numerical inequality. Okay. Now here x less than 3, example 2, x less than 3, 2x plus 3 more than 7, 4y less than or equal to 7. ಇಲ್ಲಿ English letters ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x1. Okay, these are inequality, and also it is known as lateral inequality. Lateral inequality in one variable x or y. These are called lateral inequality in one variable x or y. Then third example, x plus y less than 5, 2x plus 3y more than or equal to 3, and so on. These are also inequality, and also it is known as linear inequality in two variables, namely x and y. Here variable. Linear means power of x and y should be 1. So these are called linear inequality. Linear inequality in two variable x and y. Remember. Okay? Whereas fourth example, these are called quadratic inequality in one variable x. Quadratic, power of x is 2. That is known as quadratic. So these are called quadratic inequality in one variable x. So remember, first example is numerical inequality, second example is lateral inequality in one variable x and y, or x or y. Then third example, it is linear inequality in two variables x and y. Fourth example is quadratic inequality in one variable x. So remember the definition, define linear inequality. Define linear inequality or inequation. Now remember, two real numbers are two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than, more than, less than or equal, more than or equal, and so on. These are called inequation or inequality. Here first example, 2 less than 3, 5 more than 2, 2 less than or equal to and so on. These are called numerical inequality. Second example, x less than 3, 2x plus 3 more than 7, 4y less than or equal to 7, and so on. These are called literal inequality in one variable x or y. Whereas third example, x plus y less than 5, 2x plus 3y more than or equal to 3, 7x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. These are called linear inequality in two variables, namely x and y. Whereas fourth example, these are called quadratic inequality in one variable x, because power of x is 2, that is known as quadratic. Okay, so here the definition of inequality: remember, an expression or two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than or more than or less than or equal or more than or equal. These notations are called inequation or inequality. Okay, now here note that the notation less than or more than, this notation is known as strict inequality. Strict inequality. Strict, restricted, 2 less than 3, 5 more than 7, 5 more than 2. Okay, so the notation less than or greater than, these notations are called strict inequality. Remember, whereas the notation less than or equal, more than or equal, that notation is known as slab inequality. You can slab, less than or equal. Less than ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ equal ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, more than ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ equal ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. That is possibility. ಈ ತರ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಾರ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. Strictly less than more than equal, that is known as strict inequalities. Clear, students? Okay. So next concept that is very important, properties of inequation, properties of inequality. Now there are some important properties of inequation or inequality. Okay, look here. First property, if you take a simple number, say in general, if a is less than b, for example, if 2 is less than 3, right? Here 2 is less than 3 implies we can write 3 is more than 2. Are they same? Yes. 2 less than 3 same as 3 more than 2. In general, a is less than b implies b is more than a. A b is the kadime ಇದೆ, that is b is more than a. Both are same. Right? This is first property. Property number 2. If a is less than b, consider a less than b in general. If you add both sides on positive number, if you add both sides on positive number, or if you subtract both sides on positive number, then inequality remains same. This implies a plus s less than b plus s. If you add positive number on both sides, again inequality remains same. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ there is no change. Inequality remains less than everything. Similarly, if you subtract both sides positive number, then again inequality remains same. That is a minus x is less b minus x. Now for example, take one simple example. 2 is less than 3. ಹೌದಾ? 2 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್? If you take 2 add ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 plus 2 less than 3 plus 2. And 2 on both sides. That is 2 plus 2 4. Then 3 plus 2 5. Again 4 is less than 5. No change. Inequality remains same, less than or equal. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. If you subtract one number, say 1 on both sides, 2 minus 1 less than 3 minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, clearly 1 is less than. So property 2 says if A less than B, then if you add a positive number on both sides or if you subtract positive number on both sides, inequality remains same, no change. Okay. Similarly, if you multiply by positive number on both sides, ನೋಡಿ, even though you positive number ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ again inequality remains same. If A is less than B, implies if you multiply both sides by positive number, again inequality remains same. Ax less than bx, x ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದೆ, so again Ax is less than bx, not more than. Take one simple example. For example, 2 is less than 3. Okay. If you multiply positive number on both sides, ಯಾವ number ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿ. If you take 3, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 3 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 into 2 6 less than 3 into 3 9. Is it 6 less than 9? Yes. So remember in property 2, if A less than B, consider A less than B. If you add or subtract or multiply positive number on both sides, inequality remains same. Similarly, if you divide positive number on both sides, if you divide positive number on both sides, now here for example 2 is less than 3 or 2 is less than 4. Okay, then if you divide positive number on both sides, divide by 8. 8 is positive number. Divide this divided by 2 by 8. Here 4 by 8. Now is it 2 by 8 less than 4 by 8? Check it. 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4. 4 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2. Clearly 1 by 4 less than 1 by 2. Right? However, in property 2, consider A less than B. If you add, subtract, multiply and divide by positive number on both sides, inequality remains same, no change, remains same. Okay. Whereas property number 3, consider A less than B. Okay. If you multiply by negative number and divide by negative number on both sides, if you multiply by negative number and divide by negative number on both sides, is it inequality remains same or changes? Changes. Now this implies multiply by negative number, say multiply by minus x. Minus x more than minus bx. And divide minus a by x more than minus b by x. If you divide or multiply by negative number on both sides, inequality changes. If we take one simple example, 2 is less than 3. Correct? 2, 3 in the time. If you multiply by negative number on both sides, multiply by minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 less than 3 into minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 less than 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Check it whether minus 4 less than minus 6, minus 4 minus 6 with the correct. No, that is minus 4 is more than minus 6. However, negative number ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ less than ಇದೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, greater than ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, greater than is less than ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Inequality changes. Similarly, if you divide by negative number on both sides, negative number ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, take one simple example, 2 is less than 4. ಹೌದಾ? If you divide by negative number on both sides, divide by minus 2. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ minus 2 divide ಮಾಡಿ 2 by minus 2, here 4 by minus 2. Simplify 2 to cancel. Minus 1, 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 2. Whether minus 1 is less than minus 2? No. Minus 1 is more than minus 2. So, remember that is most important. Property number 3, consider a less than b. If you multiply and divide by negative number on both sides, inequality changes. Less than ಒಳಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು multiply by negative number ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ less than changes to more than. If you divide by negative number on both sides, again inequality changes. Less than changes to more than. Okay. Then property number 4. Consider if A is less than B. If you take the reciprocal, ಇದರ ಉತ್ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Take the reciprocals. What is reciprocal? 1 by A and reciprocal of B is 1 by B. Now if A less than B, by taking the reciprocal, then inequality changes. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. That is most important. If you multiply and divide by negative number on both sides and take the reciprocals, inequality changes. Negative number ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ inequality ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Changes. Less than changes to more than, or more than changes to less than. These are the properties of inequality. That is most important. Remember. Now I will repeat once again. Property number 1 says if A less than B in general, then if you add, subtract, multiply and divide by positive number, inequality remains the same. Whereas if you multiply, divide by negative number on both sides, inequality changes. If you take the reciprocals, again inequality changes. Okay. Now here, if it is less than, more than, that is known as strict inequality. Less than or equal, more than or equal, that notations are known as slack inequality. Here, less than, more than, strict inequality. If this notation arises, now we write in interval form. Now the interval is open interval. Open bracket. If it is less than or equal to or more than or equal to given, that is slack inequality is given, then represented by the interval closed interval. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? less than or equal, more than or equal ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ closed interval. Only less than, greater than, strict inequality ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ interval is open interval. In open interval is represented by only circle. Closed interval is represented by circle with shade. Remember, then circle with shade ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Closed interval ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ. Only circle ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Open interval. Open interval ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? Less than ಅಥವಾ greater than. Closed interval is symbol ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Less than or equal, greater than or equal. That open interval is strict inequality. Closed interval is slack inequality. These are the properties of inequality. Okay. So remember, I will repeat once again. Define inequation. Define inequality. Two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than or more than or less than or equal, more than or equal. Those notations are called inequalities. Example: 2 less than 3, 3 more than 2, 5 less than 3, and so on. Similarly, x is less than 2, y is more than or equal to 3. Okay, now these are the examples. Another example: 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 0, 7x plus 4y more than or equal to 5, and so on. These are the inequalities. Now here 2 less than 3, 3 more than 2, such notations are called that example that is known as numerical inequalities. ಅಲ್ಲಿ numbers ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ numerical inequalities. Whereas x less than 2, y more than 3, that is known as literal inequalities. English letters arises, that is known as literal inequalities. Whereas in general ax plus by less than or equal to 0, 2x plus 3y more than or equal to 7, that is known as linear inequalities in two variables, namely x and y. Whereas ax square plus or minus bx plus or minus c is greater than or equal to 0, that is known as quadratic inequation in one variable x. Okay, then properties of inequality: if a less than b, then if you add, subtract, multiply and divide by positive number on both sides, inequality remains same. Whereas if you multiply and divide by negative number on both sides, inequality changes. Less than changes to more than changes to less than. Then if a less than b, if you take the reciprocals, other root krama tagondaga, again inequality changes. Suppose if 2 is less than 2 or 2 less than 4, take the reciprocal. 1 by 2, is it less than 1 by 4? No, 1 by 2 is more than 1 by 4. Reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ inequality change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ inequality change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ inequality change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear students? Now the notation less than or more than, that notation is known as strict inequality, represented by the notation open interval. Whereas less than or equal to, more than or equal to, that notation is known as slack inequality, represented by the interval closed interval. In open interval represented by circle only. Closed interval is represented by circle with shaded. Clear? So based on properties of inequality to solve simple problems. Okay. On properties of inequality to solve the problems. Look here. Problem number 1. Solve 30x less than 200 when x is a natural number and second one x is an integer. It means to find the value of x. That value of x should be natural number as well as integer. That x satisfying the inequality 30x less than 200. Look here, how to solve 30x less than 200. Now we want to calculate x only. X value taken. Eliminate 30. What can you do? Divide this. Divide by positive number 30. If you divide by positive number, whether inequality changes or remains same? Remains same. So divide by plus 30. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 30 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x less than 200 divided by 30. 1 0 cancel. X less than 20. Right? Now first one, x is a natural number. Take the natural number which is less than 20 by 30. No, 20 by 30 ಇಂದ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. 20 by 30 means that is a 3 6 point something. Now x value less than 6 point something, those value of x should be natural numbers. 6 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. 6 point 3 6 18. Again 3 6 6.6 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 natural number 1. 1 is less than 20 by 3, 2 less than 20 by 3, 3 less than 20 by 3, 5 less than 20 by 3, 6 less than 20 by 3. But not 7. 7 is more than 20 by 3. That number, that x number should be natural number. That natural number should be less than 20 by 3. Those natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whereas second one, this is first one. Second one, x is an integer. Integer to integer. That integer should be less than 20 by 3. Less than 20 by 3 means 6.6. 6.6 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6.6 ಗಿಂತ, that is 6 5 4 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Those numbers are all less than 20 by 3 and so on. Say minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Last positive number is 6. Left side, so many integers. Definition of integer: positive number and negative number included 0. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. So which is less than 20 by 3? Such integers are, that is so many numbers, negative numbers, say -4, you know you get it, -5, -6, -7 and so on, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Similarly, second problem. ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. Now first we want to calculate x value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ x ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. x is integer, x is real number, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Now first we find x value. How to solve? Rearrange literal inequality one side, numerical inequality one side. Literal inequality ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? English letters ಇರೋ 5x 3x, these are literal inequality. Numerical inequality number ಇರೋದು -3 and 1 are the numerical inequality. So rearrange literal inequality one side, numerical inequality other side. ಮೊದಲು literal inequality ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 5x. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 3x ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು -3x less than 1. That -3 goes to right side plus. Rearrange literal inequality one side, numerical inequality other side. Okay, now simplify 5x minus 3x 2x less than 1 plus 3 4. Now to calculate x only, eliminate 2 so that divide by positive number 2. If you divide by positive number, inequality remains same, that is x less than 4 by 2. We got x value. Now first one is x is an integer. Now ನೋಡಿ integer ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ integer ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? less than 2. 2 ದೊಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ integer ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 0. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on. So less than 2 number ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? First number 1. Next 0. 1 is less than 2, 0 less than 2, next -1, then -2, -3, -4 and so on. These are the integers. Second one, x is a real number less than 2. X is a real number less than 2. 2 ಒಳಗಿರವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತವೆ. 1 0 1 by 2 3 by 2 ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? then 5 by 3 5 by 4 7 by 5, right? root 2 root 3, so many numbers, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು numbers up to infinity numbers. So if this real number is given, how to write the solution? set x belongs to, there are so many numbers, we can write in interval method. Interval will have to, it is strict inequality, less than 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? 2 ಗಿಂತ ಒಳಗಿನ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2. This is 0 1 2 3 and so on. Here -1 -2 -3 and so on up to -infinity. Here plus infinity. ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು less than ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಒಳಗೆ. 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? that is 1. 2 less than 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.5 ಇರಬಹುದು, 1.7 ಇರಬಹುದು, 1.9 because it is real number. Then 1, then minus, then 1, that is 0.5, then 0, -1, -2, -2, -3 and so on to infinity. Write in interval method. How to write? Negative infinity minus infinity to 2. Open interval minus infinity comma. What it means? More than minus infinity, less than 2. Less than 2. Real number ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ write in interval form. Okay. Similarly, one more problem. Another problem is solve 5x minus 3 less than 7. X is an integer. Again, x is real number. Now to find x value, rearrange 5x less than, rearrange numerical inequality, take numerical inequality in one side. 5x less than 7. That -3 goes to right side plus 3. So that 5x less than 7 plus 3 10. To calculate x only, eliminate 5. What can you do? Divide by 5. divide both sides by positive number 5. ನೋಡಿ positive number ಇಂದ ನಾವು divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ whether inequality remains same or changes, remains same. That is x 5x by 5, 5 5 cancel, x less than 10 by 5, x less than 2. Now first one is when x is an integer. Now what are the integers which is less than 2? So many numbers, say minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, less than. Whereas x is a real number, so many numbers, minus infinity to 2, less than. So we can write the interval minus infinity comma, the remaining more than minus infinity, less than. Real number write in interval. The given data is strict inequality, open interval. If this slack inequality given, take close interval. Okay, so these are the problems based on properties of inequality. Okay students, now to solve some more problems in next class. Okay, thank you students.